Hello Grady, and welcome to Poland. Yeah, welcome to my tutorial. Today we're going to be building Poland. That was okay. So yeah, we're going to be building Poland, and these are the blocks you're going to be needing. So you're going to need black concrete, red terracotta, or red concrete. It's completely up to you. And white concrete. So first what you're going to want to do is we're going to want to build the German border here. So you're going to grab your black concrete and just go in the middle of nowhere and place block, and then you're going to, so from this little block right here, you're going to want to go down by 2, 1, 2, left by 1, and right by 1. So it's like a little, it's like a L shape but with 1 right here, and then this is going to be, yeah, it's just going to be like that. And then from this block right here, you want to go down 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to go down right and put a row of 2 like that. Then you're going to want a row of 3, 1, 2, 3, going this way, and then you're going to go left row of 2 ones, 1, 2, like that, and then a row of 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a row of 1, and then a row of 2, 1, 2, going this way, and then a row of 3, 1, 2, 3, down 2, down left, down, row of 2, and then you're going to row of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to go left by 1, and then down by 3, 3, and then you want to row 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right by 2, 1, 2, then you want to row of 2, and then row of 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in this block you're going to go down left, so row of 2, and then right by 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what is that sound? And then down by 1. I'm actually just, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So right by 4. Okay, hopefully you got that part, because it was a little bit confusing, because this is in the way. Alright, and then from this little corner block right here that you built right here, you're going to want to go right by 2, 2, up by 1, right by 2, and then down by 1. So you have this little shape, and then you're going to row 4, going this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 there, and this is going to be water. And you want to grab white concrete and place that there. And then from this block right here, you're going to want to row up 2, and then 1 like that. Okay, now from this block right here, I'm going to go row of 2, and then a row of 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a row of 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, row of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, row of 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 rows of 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 row of 2. Well, let me turn my music off. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. There we go. Okay. Then you want a row of 3. That's 3. And then a row of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from this block right here, put 1 there. Okay. And then from this block, I'm going to want a row of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in the middle, put 2 blocks like that. And then from this block, you want a row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then from this block, go 3 down like that, 1, 2, 3. So you should have a little something that looks like that. Feel free to pause if you need to, so that you can see the shape, because this is my first time doing a tutorial, so I do apologize if I mess you up. But yeah, from this block right here, you're gonna go down by 2, and then you want a row of 2, and then 2 rows of 1, and then place a block right there, and then go right by, well, I thought the game crashed. Okay, then go right by 1, 2, from this block go right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this block right here, you're going to want to grab your black concrete, and then from this block you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to go left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the 9th block place a block, and that's a little lake. Now from this block you're going to add a row of 2, 2, and row of 2 going up, 2, and then from this block right here you're going to want to count, grab your black concrete and you want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the 8th one place a block, and then go down by 1, down by 1, and then place one like that, and that's that lake done. Okay, now from this block you're going to place row 2, and then go up 1, and then put row 2 like that. And then from this block you're going to add a row of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to add a row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You can add a row of 18. And then from this block you're going to count down by 1, and then on the second one place the block and go left by 1, down by 1, left by 1. And then from this block right here you're going to go down by 1, right by 1, down by 1. And then from this block you're going to want to count 2 down, and on the third one place the block and go right by 1. From this block go down by 1. From this block, same block, go left by 2, down by 1, left by 1, down by 1. And then from this one place a block. And I think that should be water in there, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be water in there. Yeah, from this block you're going to want to count 2, so 1, 2, then you want to go to the right from this block, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th one place a block. And then from the same block go right by 3, 1, 2, 3, down by 1, like count, and then so right by 3, down by 1, and on the second one place a block. Then from this block go down by 1, right by 1, and then place a block. Oh, not red, black. So they should be this close to each other. And then from this block you're going to want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you want to count up 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one place a block, the 4th one up, and then go left by 1 and then left by 1, and you have a little L shape. So it should look a little something like that. Almost done. And then from this block you want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. That's 9. From this block to that block. Wait, hold on. How do I do that? See, that's 9 blocks. So from this block, as you can see at the pink sentence down there, it says 10. So we're adding on 9. So from this one you should have a block there, and then from this block to that block, that's 9, as you can see on the pink sentence. Okay, now from this block right here, we want to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to add 5 up, and then from this block right here, you want to add 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a row of 2, another row of 2, 1, and then down 2 again, and then right by 3, 1, 2, 3, and then from this block go down by 2, and then another row of 2, and another row of 2, another row of 2. So it should be 3 2s in total. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, yeah, it is 4. My bad. And then left 1. And then you're gonna want 2 rows of 2 going that way. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3 rows of 1, 1, 2, 3. And then from this block, go down by 3, 1, 2, 3, right by 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 rows of 1, and then down by 3, 1, 2, 3. And then from this block right here, you're gonna grab your red terracotta or red concrete, whatever block you want to use, and you're gonna take this and make it go all the way down there. So from this block, just count all the way down there. I'm gonna use World Edit for this, so this block all the way down to here. So if it connects to this part on the German border, this block right here, that's how you know you did it right. // fill red underscore terracotta. I don't know how to spell terracotta. Well, I'll just do it by hand because I can't really see on the screen because half my screen is cut off because I'm recording. But yeah, just make a line of red all the way down and it should connect up with that block. And if it doesn't, then I'm sorry about the inconvenience. But if it doesn't connect up there, then at least you know that your mistake is somewhere up here, not all the way down there, and you have to redo the whole thing. But yeah, just a line of red. Okay. Okay, and this part should be white. So above here should be white, and then down here should all be red, but we're not done yet. Okay, so now from this block, you're going to add a row of 2, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 in the middle like that, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 rows of 1, 1, 2, 3, and then a little L shape, so it's 1, 2, and then 1 like that, and then 2, and then a row of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then add 2 left, 1, 2, down left, down left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then left by 2. And then down by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down right by 2. Down by 1. Left by 1, 2, 3, 4. Down by 1. And then from this block, go a row of 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 2. 2. So it's 3 2s. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a row of 8. And then 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the final stretch. And then a row of 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then a row of 2. 1. And then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 2. And then 4 rows of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from the second one right here, place a block right there. And then from this block right here, add a row 2, 1, 2, another row 2. So it's 2 2s and then 1, and then a little L shape. So it's 2 and then 1, and then a row of 2. 2 rows of 1, 2. So it's 2 2s. So it's 2. So it's 2 2, and 2 1s, and then a 2, and then the L shape. Alright, and then you're gonna add a row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from this block, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then you're going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on the 8th one, place a block and go up by 1, right by 1, up by 1. So you have that little shape. And then from this block, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then down from this block, go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th one, place a block, right by 1, and then down by 1. So you have that little L shape, and those are the legs done. We're almost done. So from this block right here, you're gonna add a little L shape, and then from this block, go up by 2, and then left by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 2 2s, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then 3, 1, 2, 3, down by 1, and then a little L shape, like that, and then 1, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, up by 1, and then 2 1s, and then a little L shape like that. Sorry if I'm going too fast, I'm just trying to get this done. And then 1, and then 2, and then left by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, left by 3, 2, 3, left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up by 2. And then 1 like that. Hopefully that should connect up with this little bit. If it doesn't, then I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'm sorry if I messed you up. But hopefully that should connect. If it does, give yourself a pat on the back. But now I'm gonna fill all this in with this wonderful thing you called World Edit. So was it? Slash fill, and then I'm gonna put 1000. Oh wait, I forgot to put the block. Slash fill red terracotta, and then 1000. Bam. Now all that is filled in. Oh, I missed a spot. I don't know how that happened. But yeah, fill this all in with concrete or terracotta. It's completely up to you. I like to use terracotta because it gives it a little bit more of a dull shape, a dull color, and it makes it kind of stand out a little bit, you know? Okay, now you're going to want to fill all this above with white. Slash fill white concrete 1000. There we go. That's Poland done. So you should have a little something that looks like this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and have fun with your build. Bye.